Hello, sir.
Hello.
Uh,
Good evening, sir. Hello. Hello.
sir.
Actually, I am from our news channel, that is TNTT News, the Northeast Today and Tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think you know that. Sir, actually, just I want to take some, status from you. Sir, can you please tell me, sir, now how is the situation there in Manipur right now?
The situation here is very tense, sir.
Okay.
This has become a communal clash between the Métis and the tribals of Manipur.
Okay.
Today itself, hundreds of houses in Imphal belonging to the tribals, as well as churches of the tribals, were burned, and also thousands are seeking refuge at with the army, with the police, and also with the some rifles, all the paramilitary forces.
Okay.
And then those of the valley-based people who are in Chuchanpur are also seeking refuge with the paramilitary forces here.
Okay.
And at especially in Chuchanpur, they are seeking refuge at the mini secretariat complex, which is well guarded by the Assam Rifles, as well as the Manipur police, and the army. However, the situation remains tense because in this part of our town, in our district boundary, it happens like this. The valley-based community, the Métis community, they are the dominant community in Manipur.
Yeah.
So basically, they hold 40% of the 40 out of the 60 seats in Manipur, and then they are being backed by the Manipur police commando. They have torched around 8 to 9 villages in Chuchanpur district itself. Like Kangvai, Turbung, Hautak Vazang, Gelbung.
Now, as of now, how many people lost their life as of now, as per your
as per our information so far, it is 19 boys, but yes. However, a pastor, a Christian pastor who was killed yesterday.
Where it is?
At Kangvai.
In which location? Kangvai.
At Kangvai, who was beaten to death at Kangvai. We cannot retrieve his dead body till now, and we have 4 dead bodies at Chuchanpur Mok. The others are the killing of the others are viral in the internet, doing rounds in the internet and social medias, and also that we see photos of 2 women being killed brutally. But then we are still not certain of their identity. So we then add them to the list of the 19 people that we are counting. Only those identified have reached 19. Although our government may claim that there is no death so far, we have had.
Do you think government is not trying to make the situation cool and to finish this problem, this tense? What is government doing there?
No, the government may be having its own procedure to deal with it, sir. But then, as I said earlier, 40% of the assembly seat is occupied by the Métis. So, and then the chief minister and almost all the ministers belongs to them. Definitely the government is dictated by them. And also we have another thing, that is one of our MLA from Chuchanpur district, Mr. Bungjagin, was beaten today in Imphal in broad daylight when he was trying to go to the chief minister to have a talk. And then he was severely beaten. That he is still now not conscious. He is still unconscious till this moment.
He's beaten up by whom?
The valley people at Imphal.
At Imphal.
When he was traveling from his quarter toward his toward the CM office. And also we have another MLA, Kipaimuk MLA, Mr. Ngur Sanglur, who was attacked by gunfire, but he ran toward his court took him toward the CRPF camp, and then he luckily got safe.
Sir, one thing, if you just can clear me, this ST category status, ST status, is it, declared by the court or government? Is it declared, or it is only demand?
The government hasn't declared it.
Oh, they have declared it, right?
They have not declared it.
Okay, they have not declared it.
But the court has asked them, the Manipur High Court has directed the government of Manipur to recommend to the Center for Declaration of Meitei as ST.
Okay.
And then with the tribal people, as you may be aware, 90% of the geographical areas of Manipur is inhabited by the tribal.
Okay.
Almost 90.
90%.
But then almost 90%. But then we are only about 40% of the population. And then this land traditionally belongs to the tribal chiefs and the tribal community. So in the past, the Manipur government, the Meitei-centric government, have tried their best to grab this land.
Occupy the land.
By declaring reserve forests, protected forests, wildlife sanctuaries, and wetlands without following proper procedures. As per the Indian Forest Act 1927, if they were to declare any land as protected forest or reserve forest, a notice should be served to the people in their own vernacular language, and then they should be the owner of the they should be compensated, and that any claims and objections should be heard.
Sir, sir, here I want to just clear. Presently, these Meitei peoples are general people, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if they are declared as ST status, then all the Meitei community they will become as ST, right?
No, sir. No. There are some part of the Meitei community who are under SC and some are under OBC reservation.
Okay, they will become under the ST community then.
No, they are still retained those, like they are scheduled castes, like the Andhra people, the Sengmai people. They already enjoy that. So apart from being that, they'll be able to choose which quota to enjoy, which reservation is more, whether ST, SC, OBC.
Okay.
And that will eventually be very bad for our future generation, especially us, our generation, and the future generation to come. Because if they, even now when they are enjoying only SC and OBC, they occupy most of the 80% of the 80 to 90% of the seats. Even the tribal reservation quota is not properly followed because they are the government itself.
Okay. Sir, I am not taking my time. Sir, if you please give your introduction shortly, then yes, sir, please.
Yeah, I am Minlal Gangte, the Vice President of Kuki Students Organization.
Okay. Sir, what will be your final message for this situation?
In this situation, I would like to give a message to the viewers and readers of the TNT that we need the intervention of the central government because our government is a Meitei-centric government, and that any anything that the government act will always be biased because they hold the majority in the government and every sector of the department. So we want the center to intervene and solve this matter because we don't want this trouble. We want to live in peace. We want to enjoy our rights. Keeping aside the ST demand or any other thing, this time it is not time to have grudges on each other. That it's time that peace prevail and then equal opportunity for everyone and everything prevails in the state. Right now, all we want is normalcy, the return of normalcy in the whole of Manipur.
Okay.
Because we are being attacked from every corner, and then we are a minority community, and hence we wouldn't be able to survive much long if the center don't intervene.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving your such a nice time. And you have updated us the situation about the Manipur right now, what is going on. Thank you very much. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you.